carrot biscuits, shall we? Dry ingredients and a little bit of brown sugar. Oh, it's cold! Cold butter. The number one secret to biscuits, cold, cold, cold butter. Cold. Chop it and then chill it. Still lots of chunks of butter in here. Now let's add our liquid. We're gonna add in some carrot juice. And then I'm using heavy cream because my carrot juice doesn't have any fat, so I wanna make sure that there's enough luscious fatness in these. I also have them pretty close together, only about a ½ inch apart. They're gonna help each other rise. Now, last but not least, some brown sugar and some cinnamon. All right, a little bit of butter. Flaky layers, a little bit of a crisp sweet crust. Oh, and carrot.